Okay, here we go. Fuck! Why did that take me so long, dude? Oh. Okay. Fuck! Stop targeting me, you fucking assholes, man. Fuck! Dude! That fucking misdrop, man. Bro, what did I do to you? Oh my god. Okay, I can't end on a loss, I said. So I have to play one more. Oh no. Alright, I gotta look at the real screen. I'm looking at the recorded screen right now. I gotta look at the real screen on the Nintendo Switch. What the fuck? No. 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 Fuck! That misdrop! Okay. Sorry, my face was itchy. Fuck, dude! So you don't scratch your face while I'm playing. What? Oh no, my stick. Oh. Why am I misdropping, dude? What is the point of levels? Oh. Alright, I'm done.